I got the opportunity to intern with Mr. Godwin through the Godwin Tom Management Program in 2018. And then I decided to choose the admin, booking, and road management. Lucky for me, I was the admin and booking team lead, so I get to really understand how it works. With Godwin Tom internship training, I got to learn this firsthand, and I road managed, which was very educative, very interesting, and it shows that the music industry is a big place where you can learn what you want to learn, you can be what you want to be, you can just do anything you want to do, okay? I advise you to pick up the form or register for the training, the management training that is coming up, because you are going to learn a lot. It cuts beyond intellectual, it cuts beyond academic, it cuts beyond the music business. You know, you get to know yourself.